This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
What's going on? It's Gary Guyman with Dominate Partners. I want to talk to you about how to use social media to grow your business in 2023. The first way to utilize social media in 2023 to grow your business is use social media as a networking tool. Like, social media is the new networking event. It's the new party that you're going to, and it's the new way to target your perfect customer. Look, whoever your potential prospects are, you should be following them on as many platforms on social media as possible. If they own a business and they're on LinkedIn, definitely follow them on LinkedIn. Same with Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, wherever they're at, you should be. And in fact, if you're using social media correctly, like, you should have a target list of 25, 50, 100, whatever your brain will allow you to do. And on a weekly, monthly basis, you should be interacting with those people on social media. How do you interact with them on social media? Don't hit them in the cold DMs. Nah, bro. Nobody wants you hitting them in the cold DMs. What you do is you like, comment, share, become prevalent in their mind because they see you all the time in their social media notifications. Gary Guyman liked this post. Gary Guyman commented on this post. Gary Guyman shared your post. Who is this Gary Guyman? They're going to click on my profile, go find out who I am. And I have my profile completed correctly. You should too. Use a picture of your smiling face. List what it is you do. Provide ways for them to contact you. And then have content that is engaging or funny. I like funny, but sometimes it's engaging. Always be valuable. Always provide value. So if you're not using social media to target your prospect and to socially stalk them, not illegally, in a way that is acceptable, don't hit them in the DMs, then you have a way to be able to utilize social media to grow your business in 2023.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.